Yo, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy FX Fields, man, and we're back with another one. Haven't uploaded in a minute, due to, I didn't really have I didn't have anything set up. Didn't have my mic, or I still don't have no headphones yet, and the computer I was trying to record on was just slow, so now I got a new PC thanks to my brother, and I got a mic, and I just gotta get headphones now. But and now hopefully we get back to recording every week at least. But yeah, man. So we're back with another video. I'm trying to make this one quick. So basically, I just want to talk about psychology and discipline. Right? They are the main factors when it comes to profitability, right? It's very important to have those down packed when you are trading in the zone, let's just say that. But and I realized that because when you don't have your discipline and psychology in check, you tend to lose a lot. You tend to make losses for no reason, and yeah, you just lose money a lot. And I'm gonna show y'all specifically what I mean by that. So this was yesterday, right? Anybody replay this? Excuse me. So this is yesterday. I'm looking at this trade on, this is NASDAQ. I'm looking at this trade and I see 930 candle. Right before this, I was literally waiting for, I was playing GTA and waiting for a trade to appear, right? I'm in this Discord group and they called out, and I didn't trade this, I just put that on the charts. But I'm in this Discord group and they called out this trade somewhere. They called out this trade right here, this supply trade, right? On a 1 minute. Only reason I didn't take this trade because I was being disciplined. And even though it won, it definitely melted a lot. That was a bomb trade. But I was being disciplined in trading my, sticking to my plan, right? My plan is I never get on a 1 minute. I don't even look at the 1 minute. Never look at the 1 minute. I always get on in a 5 minute, right? And so that would have been the 1 minute. The trade would have started like right here around a 1 minute, but the 5 minute, this is what we got. And yeah, it's still a supply, but being though this candle right here didn't close below these or these, I didn't really like it, so I didn't take it, right? Just left it alone. Hopped on GTA again. This was like around 8:50, yeah, 8:55, right? Hopped on GTA and decided to wait for market open. Market open came around. Again, I'm looking at NASDAQ and I see, boom, I see this candle coming down, right? Zoom out a little bit. Let me delete this real quick. Zoom out a little bit. We're consolidating, right? These highs over here never closed above these highs. This little resistance held, right? We got support down here. This closed below this over here and these over here. And then the supply candle was a very bearish momentum candle, right? And it closed below all of these and the support zone. So I'm like, I like this trade. Marked up this supply right here. And I targeted, this was going to be my first take profit right here, but I also seen that it was another take profit right here. All these swing lows down here. I'm like, wow, this is really looking good. I even zoomed out on a 1 hour, right? Seen that, okay. This didn't close above and we're coming down, right? We're coming down off this resistance. Zoomed in on a 15, seen that, boom. I count this as a double top pattern, right? So again, I'm on a 5 minute, seeing the supply candle, and I'm like, okay, when it taps, I'm gonna get in. But I didn't get right away in because I knew it was going to at least come up in this big box right here, this big zone. So as it came in the box, right, it's coming up, and I didn't get in yet because I was hesitant, right? I was hesitant thinking, what if it surpasses this zone? For some reason I was thinking that. I was like, what if it surpasses this zone? I'm not going to get in yet, but I will get in once the candle comes below here, right? Boom, candle comes below here. I'm in a trade. Stop loss was, I think, yeah, stop loss was right here. And take profit was this candle down here. Did this swing low right here, right? But I was gonna have a runner to this swing, the swing low that's over there. So this would have been take profit, right? I'm still in this candle. It's like 3 minutes still going, right? So I hopped in and the candle's still moving. The candle starts to push up, right? No, my stop loss was only 600. It would have been, I got in with 2 contracts. I trade futures. So I got in with 2 contracts and the stop loss would have been 600, right? The take profit from here to there would have been 3,000. It was like 3,000 or some change. Like I think close to 4,000 or something. But as I'm seeing it retrace, come up and coming up and again, and I'm like, oh, this might be a loss. So I got out in the negatives, got out negative $300, right? And I'm like, I don't know about that. As soon as I got out, price just started pushing down, and it closed right here. I'm like, oh man, wow, I could have had, I could have been in profit right now. So the zone is done. And I'm looking like, okay, well maybe if it passes this candle, I'll get in again, right? So did this, and this was a huge stop loss, but stop loss is going to be a little bit above this resistance, support resistance low, right? And instead of this one now, this swing low, I was just going to trade it to this swing low. Boom. Price didn't reach down here yet, but as soon as it got right here, I got in, right? And so on top, I'm trading on a Top Step evaluation account. So for that one, you can't lose more than 1,000 because I'm on a 50K account. So you can't lose more than 1,000 a day. So they'll stop your trading, right? So when I'm getting in right here, I think I got in somewhere right lower than this candle. I'm getting right here, right? Stop loss is all the way up here. This little move right here, like I believe even before it hit the resistance, it got me out of the rest, because that was the rest for today. So I think that was like another $600 loss right there, plus the $300 loss before on this one. And so that was 1,000 for today. They stopped my trading for today. And I'm like, damn man, what am I doing? Right? And again, it got right here, but where I messed up is, staying disciplined to my trades, having confidence in myself, right? And where my psychology, getting scared of drawdown and losing money that I got out of a winning trade. So again, this was when I got in here at first, right? If I stayed in this trade, I would have made 3,000 right here on this move alone. If I kept my runner, this would have at least been 5,000, 6,000 right here, right? Then like 5,000. I lost out on 5K just because I was scared of losing 6, right? And it's like my psychology is not there. I need to be disciplined. So you gotta have discipline when you're trading, bro. Like, instead of winning and being profitable, I'm making myself literally lose. Just because it's going in drawdown, just because it's retracing a little bit, I'm literally making myself lose, right? Like, this was a beautiful trade. And again, let me show you. Came down, came up, came up, came down. I would have had this. Literally, I would have had this 5K trade right there. But again, my discipline is not there, whereas though I got scared of retracement. My psychologist not there. I got out in negative 300, and it was just like, damn, what am I doing? I already thought to myself, is like, I'm about to blow another account, and this is the only reason I've been blowing back-to-back accounts. I blew like 5 or 6 Top Step accounts just for this reason alone, right? Maybe other reasons is because I traded, you know, what is it? Over leveraged, like using 5 lots. I used 5 lots on a trade one time. Like, bro, what am I doing? But yeah, literally, the main thing is me freaking getting out early on these trades. This right here was my first ever evaluation account, right? This was XO funding, and I passed this account. This was in January. This was January the 15th, right? The beginning of the year. And after that account, the next day I traded on that account, the live actual account, they got me out because I didn't put a stop loss, and the account was gone. So yeah, the account was gone. I'm like, damn, bro. But I wasn't mad because, okay, that was something I missed because I didn't really read the contract rules or whatever. But yeah, I wasn't mad because I was thinking like, okay, I did it once, so now I know I can do it again for sure. I never won an account after that, right? And we're in August right now. That was January of this year. We're in August. I never won an account after that. And I feel like it's because of my psychology. My psychology has been going down. And I feel like even with this trade, right? I've been losing so much. I've been losing so much trades. I've been blowing so many accounts that I guess now when I'm seeing drawdown, I'm getting scared and getting out and still making myself lose. So it's like, bruh, definitely have your psychology in check. I'm gonna show you another thing, right? Just want y'all to read this. Like, basically, this was AUUSD. So I'm saying, man, this trade had me in shambles. I actually got off the blue candle swing low. So I got out like right there. Hopefully you guys can see. Let me zoom in for you actually. Okay, boom. So I got out on this swing low right here, right? I put my take profit right there, swing low. And basically I was saying like it was a 1 to 0.42 trade, so it wasn't even a full 1-to-1. And I got out early because this trade was giving me rejections towards the downside. And I also was in drawdown of 1200. So that probably was a day that I definitely over leveraged. But so I was skeptical about this trade. Also thought it was going to reverse on me. So many emotions on this one. I put my take profits under the swing low. Just left the charts to go cook. Came back and I hit the take profit. If I would have actually let it hit a 1-to-1, I would have passed my funded account. But hey, we live and we learn, and we still banked profits. Biggest profit yet was 712. Cool. This right here, this was in December, right? I think this was December 12th or something like that. This was in December. So basically, I'm still doing the same mistake of getting out early, not trusting my trades, right? And I've been doing it for so long. I have these pep talks every single day. Every single day. Don't get out early. Don't get out early. I gotta stop this. I gotta stop that. And I come to the market every single day and wind up doing the same exact thing. The same exact thing. Like again, this was a supply trade that won, but I was scared of these candles, right? Whereas though I put my take profit to this swing low instead of just having it fully where I already said it was gonna go at. I still made money, yes, but I lost out money because I would have passed this account if I would have let it hit the 1-to-1. Literally would have passed the account. And again, this was December. I did not pass this account. This account was blown. And most likely it was because I did the same thing. Getting out early, losing, making myself lose. You guys definitely want to have your psychology in check when it comes to trading. Because, yeah, it would definitely cost you a lot of money. It would definitely cost you a lot of money. And, again, granted, so this trade, again, this was a beautiful trade. My stop loss was literally these candles up here and never hit my stop loss. It got close to it, but it never hit my stop loss. So I would have still been in this trade, you know? I would have definitely still been in this trade. It would have came down, came up, came down, consolidated a little bit, came down, hit my TP. This would have been my biggest day yet. But because I was scared of drawdown, I got out in loss on this whole trade, 1100. So on my top stat account, I wanted at least 2,000 by the end of this week. Starting Monday and Tuesday, I had 1100 in the account. I'm at 50K. Yeah, I was 1100 in profit. I'm just saying 1100 in profit. But this trade right here on Wednesday just took me down to 50K again. And actually, since I'm recording this on the 15th, right? I also did a trade this morning and did the same exact bullcrap. The same exact bullcrap. Let me find it for you. Okay, yeah, it was right here. Right? Did the same exact crap. So I'm looking at this. I didn't really like this, so this is like what, around 825. Hopped on GTA again, right? Playing GTA. 840 comes down, and I'm seeing this. Did I tell you this though? Yeah, so I think I hopped on around this time, 840. 840. So I'm seeing this candle, seeing this supply being created, right? And we're breaking all these lows. I'm like, okay. And I'm seeing these swing lows over here and this support right here. That's why I only drew the support right here. I'm like, okay, it definitely can get to the support, right? So this candle comes in. No, not this candle. It was this candle right here. This candle comes in and it starts going up a little bit, never passed it, and I was going to get out. I was going to get in. I got in actually in the middle, coming down somewhere, right? And my stop loss was literally, I think, all the way. Wait, I'm sorry. Yeah, this. I'm sorry, I got it on this candle. So I'm on this candle, and stop loss was above that right there. And again, my TP was going to be literally all the way down here, right? Or I think I had it to this swing low over here, right here. This little tiny swing low right there. But I would have definitely left the runner to the support. Price comes in, I'm in the trade, right? I mean, price comes down, I'm in a trade. And looking at it, starts retracing again, because you know, when a price on the 5 minute, I trade a 5 minute, as you guys can see. So we still got 5 minutes, like 4 or 3 minutes to go. So candles is doing whatever it wants to do right now, up and down, up and down. So I'm getting up right here, and I'm thinking it's about to hit my stop loss. So I get out, right? Lost like 200, and again it comes down, right? Does this? It comes down. Like this candle was pretty fast. And I was going to get in again, but I was like, nah, now I'm getting in late, right? Now it has a possibility of coming all the way up here and still going back down. So I'm getting in a trade late. And again, you see, I would have had this trade. Like this trade would have been, this would have been bank right here, right? This probably would have been another big win, another big trade, right? But because of my psychology, again, it's not there because I'm scared of the drawdown still. I decided to get out in negative 200. And so, yeah, basically I just want to say, man, definitely have your psychology in check, right? Because it's definitely going to cost you money. Definitely going to cost you money. And it's like I've been dealing with this for so long now. I work at night. I work overnight, so I do security. I'm in a freaking booth listening to audiobooks every night. I'm listening to the good audiobooks. Freaking Mark Douglas, Trading in the Zone, Trading for a Living. I'm listening to The Disciplined Trader. Like I'm literally listening to those 30 minutes to an hour every night, every day. And it's like good, great information. And I'm literally listening to motivational videos every single day. Like that's definitely one thing that I listen to every single day. Motivational trading videos, have your discipline in check, and all those videos, right? And I'm still coming to the market and doing the same exact thing. And it's like, I don't want to, what do you call it? I don't want to rely on placing a trade and leaving the charts, like going to go cook or work out or something like that. And I know that's probably what I gotta do, but I don't want to have to rely on that. I want to actually get my discipline in check, whereas though I can place the trade, literally look at it go from up all the way negatives to profit and negatives and profit again. Like, yeah, man, that's where I want to be at. But yeah, man, it looks like I'm just have to place a trade and leave it at this point, because I think actually on this oh, where was it? It was somewhere on here. Actually, my bad. You know what? So after I got out, I did get back in. I think I got back in on this close, right? I think I got back in on this close right here, on this candle coming down right here, right? And I set an alert. Actually, yeah, I set an alert. It was literally in the middle of, it was in the middle of the price, but with this little support right here, right? So I was literally playing GT at the time. I did actually. So I got in this candle again after I lost that 200. Got in again, and it's coming down. And I'm like, all right, let me leave it. Let me go play GTA, because the GTA was on the other. So I just clicked it, started playing GTA again. Set an alert, right? Alert comes up on my phone. I'm like, oh snap, we getting close to take profit then, right? So I go off, click off GTA, and I'm looking at it again, right? Seeing what it's doing. It gets here and it starts retracing, right? It starts retracing all the way back up here somewhere, and I'm like, oh no. I get out with, I think it was like 200 in profit again. So basically broke even. But the fact is, if I would have just continued playing GTA, left it alone, I would have banked on this, bruh. So yeah, it seems like I'm gonna just have to set my trades and leave it, because it's really making me lose money, and unnecessary money that I have to. But yeah, man, that's all I'm digging on today. And it's really dawned on me, because I'm really the entrepreneur one in my family, right? Everybody else, corporate jobs, in college, stuff like that. But no one is really doing something to this extent where, you got the possibility of changing your family's lives and your family's generation, legacy, and all that. So it's like, I really feel like they're counting on me, and I got the family on my shoulders, basically, pretty much. And dawned on me because my mom just had to get another FedEx job, right? On top of the job she has, because to basically make ends meet. And so basically I just feel like, okay, what if I had to go up to my mom and tell her that you had to get another job and you're still working, you're not retired yet, because I can't get my discipline in check, right? Because I can't be disciplined enough to stay in a winning trade, right? I'm scared of drawdown, so I get out early and lose money. And so that's why you're still working. That's why you just had to get another job to make ends meet, because of me. And that's deep. But yeah, man, definitely have your psychology in check when it comes to trading, because it will cost you. It will definitely cost you. But that's all I have for today, man. Yeah, again, I'll be uploading more and more, hopefully these live trades. And yeah, man, Stay tuned, subscribe. You already know what it is. Your boy FX Fields, and we're out.